Honorable teachers, honorable audience, and all my loved brother and sister in one struggle. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before going to my speak, let's thank to Allah who has given us the mercy and merciful until we can to meet in this social media today. Peace and salutation be upon to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has get we are from the darkness until the lightness. I am standing here. I want to speak in front of you all by the title Critical Thinking in Social Context. I have a group to presentation for this title. Okay, the first presentation is
critical thinking in social context. Let's start with introduction. Critical thinking is crucial in navigating complex social dynamics and information flow. It enables the individual to discern truth, avoid bias, and make informed decisions in a democratic society. In the era of rapidly growing information, the ability to think critically has become increasingly important, especially in a social context. Society today is faced with an overwhelming flow of information, including fake news, biased public opinion, and complex social dynamics. Critical thinking is not just the ability to analyze a statement, but also a skill to assess truth and its impact on social life. Therefore, it is important to understand how critical thinking is applied socially to build a more rational and just society. Okay, for the next slide, that's my partner to bring the topic to you. Thank you.
Definition of critical thinking. Critical thinking is the process of analyzing, evaluation, and systematizing information. In social context, it involves understanding political, cultural, and social influence on behavior and belief system.
Importance of critical thinking in social context. Number 1. Avoiding disinformation and misinformation. In a digital society, disinformation or intentional false information and misinformation or unintentional false information can spread rapidly. Critical thinking helps individual verify information before accepting it as truth. This is vital to maintain social stability and prevent conflict caused by misleading information. Number 2, developing tolerance and empathy. Critical thinking also improves understanding others' perspective. By considering different points of view, individuals can develop empathy and tolerance, which are essential in a diverse society. Number 3, encouraging active participation in society. Critical thinking societies are more active in social and political life. They are less likely to be influenced by propaganda or peer pressure and are able to make independent and responsible decisions. Challenges in applying critical thinking. Despite its importance, applying critical thinking in social context faces many challenges. These include low information literacy, dominance of majority opinion, and cognitive biases that often hinder objective thinking. Furthermore, social media often reinforce echo chamber, digital environment, where individuals are only exposed to information that support their existing beliefs.
There are several strategies to improve critical thinking skills in a social context, including 1. Critical education from an early age. Teaching critical thinking skills from a young age helps children develop the ability to question, analyze, and form reasoned judgment. 2. Promoting media literacy. Media literacy enables individuals to evaluate information critically, recognize bias, and distinguish between credible sources and misinformation. 3. Supporting independent journalism. Independent journalism provides unbiased and fact-based reporting, which is essential for informed public opinion and democratic decision-making. 4. Facilitating inclusive public discourse. Inclusive public discussion encourages diverse perspectives, promote mutual understanding, and strengthen critical engagement in social issues.
Example of application of critical thinking in social context: analyzing political campaign. Critically assess candidates' promise and track record. So you must critique the candidate promise. To understanding hard issues, careful evaluate information from experts and the media. To addressing discrimination, identify and challenge systemic biases in society. You must be identify and challenge. Conclusion: critical thinking is foundational to a just democracy and informed society. Fostering this skill requires effort across education, culture, and media sectors. Thank you very much.